Oh my God, you guys, I just met Tony Bennett in Central Park, and there he is, and he took a picture with us. I'm so excited. New York, New York.
Living my life like it's golden. 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 Golden. Living my life like it's golden.
Greetings, welcome to Success with Etiquette. I'm Sean, and I create videos to help you walk with confidence, explore new places, and live life without regrets. If you're new here, consider subscribing.
Oh my God, I just met Tony Bennett, yay! There he is, and he took a picture with us. Oh my God. I'm such a big fan.
It's New York City, baby. You never know who you'll meet. Not in a million years did I think I'll walk through Central Park and meet the legendary Tony Bennett.
We are in Central Park, and here's the story. We're walking, and I'm looking at this man, and I'm thinking, I know him. Then my girlfriend Sean stops, and she's like, and we come together, and I'm like, I know him. She said, I do too. And I was like, the Brat Pack, but not the Brat Pack, and Tony, and then I realized, because I was like, Martin, no, that's Dean Martin, and I was like, Tony Bennett, and it was him. She said,
I sent her to go ask
yeah, she
him.
said, go ask him. And I said, has anyone ever told you you look like Tony Bennett? He said, I am. I was like, oh my God. We both were like, oh my God. And then these other ladies came up, and they were like, I'm glad you asked. And we all took a picture. And he was so sweet and gracious. He let me touch him. It's just through my excitement that, I'm touchy-feely. And he took pictures. He didn't complain. He just smiled and sat there on the bench. And then we were trying to see if other people recognized him. So other people started to recognize him. And then some didn't. New York is just gone by their day. But this was the highlight so far of the day. We just finished brunch at Sarah Bess. And we said, hey, Sean went to see Central Park. We came to see Central Park, and we got more than we expected. Peace, Sean.
Central Park is beautiful during the summertime. This was the most exciting day trip. DC to New York is only 3.5 to 4 hours away. There's always something to do or see. We went to the Brooklyn Bridge. We caught the train, subway. And if you ride in the subway, you're definitely going to get entertainment. Here's a taste of it.
The sounds of New York subway. They're down there.
Follow me on Instagram at Success with Etiquette. The Brooklyn Bridge is gorgeous. It's 1.3 miles across the bridge, and the skyline is unbelievable. And at nighttime, it glows. Watch my first solo trip to New York City when I stayed at a pimp hotel, video linked above. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, peace.